Welcome to day one of Vacation Bible School. I'm so glad that you are joining us. Boy, do I wish we were in the fellowship hall and making snacks in the kitchen like we usually do for Vacation Bible School. But I'm thrilled that we are at least getting to celebrate how much God loves us and everyone in the world together, at least through our virtual Vacation Bible School. So you'll be joining me for a snack choice every day. And in your kit is the snack or couple snacks that you could choose to make with your family, which is kind of cool this year. That will be different than we normally get to do. So today we're thinking about the beginning of the Lord's Prayer. Give us our daily bread. Did you know that the us in there means everybody in the world, not just like you and me? And so we're going to be looking at today and all this week, some different countries and learning a little bit about what people eat in those countries. Today's country is Mexico. Did you know that the official name of Mexico is actually United Mexican States? And the golden eagle is a really important symbol to them, and it's why it's featured on their flag. At one point, because Mexico borders the United States, there were actually some of the United States that were part of Mexico. Arizona, California, Colorado, Nevada, New Mexico, Texas were just some of those states. Mexico's a very old area. It's at least 13,000 years old, and that kind of explains where some of their foods have come from. So today you're going to experiment with a kind of juice called aguas frescas, because in Mexico they use a lot of fresh fruit with their food because fruit grows there very well. And you're going to try some baked churros, which were a food that Mexicans were able to take with them when they were traveling. You can read about both foods some more inside your kit on your snack card. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for a brand new country. Adios.